should go to the library. Look guys, imagine if we really had a power like that, just like this is really. That's possible. Old antique book. He's gonna learn this. I think we have powers right now. We should try this.
Your wish is my command, and the chosen shall rise.
He wanted to control the wind, but it didn't obey him. He let his hand guide him to where he truly belonged, and it was the earth that he could finally control. She deeply wished to have the power of telekinesis, so he tried it right away, and the book granted her the power she desired. She was an athletic girl who quickly tried it, and the book granted her the power she desired. Ever since, if there was a power she wanted, it was the power of water, because his idol was Elena from ENCANTADIA. The first thing he tried was to control the wind, but the wind did not obey him. So he attempted to control the earth, but it wasn't there either. He then felt the warmth of his heart, and fire burst out from his hand.
This is impossible, but it's real.
We could finally stop the bullying.
She then tried to control the earth, but it did not obey her. Instead, she felt the warmth of the wind embracing her, and that was what she was able to command. But their powers were not given them just to fight against bullies. They would soon face a far greater challenge.
Give me my back, please!
What are you?
We are not your victim anymore.
We will consume this place.
Hey! Stop that!
Thank you for helping us.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiate.